All right, dreamers, this is not financial advice, but go ahead and comment, give me the loot, because I'm about to show you guys how to make the market give you the loot, specifically using WEBULL. I'm about to show you guys how to run the wheel strategy using the WEBULL stock. I'm going to show you how to sell cash and puts. I'm going to show you guys how to do cover calls. I'm going to show you guys how to do poor man cover calls all inside this video using the WEBULL platform. So go ahead and do all the good stuff. Hit subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell. Most importantly, hit that notification bell. Right now, you guys is at 21.5% have hit that notification bell. Let's try to get it to 22% of you guys hit that notification bell. That literally helps out this channel more than you guys can possibly even imagine, hitting that notification bell. Otherwise, YouTube not going to show you the videos. They be acting real funny. And since I'm using WEBULL in this video, I'm going to leave a link to WEBULL down in the description. You get the $500 or just $1. Start using that free tools. But if you deposit up to $500, you'll get $20 worth in video shares. Free money is free money, guys. So take advantage of that. That link is going to be down in the pinned comment section, also down in the description, along with my Patreon if you want to take all of my trades. But let's go ahead and dive straight into it. Now, here we are on WEBULL. I'm going to go to markets. I'm going to show you guys how to sell a cash you can put. So you can hit the markets right here, and then you want to type in at the bottom Tesla. We're going to use Tesla for example, or you could just type it in down here, TSLA, and then it should pop up. We'll pick the first one, Tesla. Now, if you're selling a cash you can put, saying that you want to pick up shares of Tesla, let me show you guys exactly how to do it. You're going to hit options right here. So you're going to hit options. Let's close this, and it's going to show you all the expiration dates. You got a 2-day, 4-day, 6-day. I already got one on the 6th day, so you know I'll be running it for real. So if you guys do want to see how I was able to generate, let me show you guys. If you want to see how I was able to generate $18,038 so far this year in premium, best month March we did 66,200. April, hopefully we could get to 4,000 by the end of April. If you guys do want to join the Patreon, I hold Zoom calls every single Sunday. I got 2 spots remaining. It's 50% off right now. I teach you guys how to run the wheel strategy, teach you guys how to generate premium every single week, and I have pro day traders in there that post their option trades every single day. If this sounds like something that you want to be a part of, link gonna be down in the comment section. But anyways, back here, we're gonna pick an expiration date out. Let's go out a month. So not 27 days. Let's pick some over 30 days. So let's pick May 29th. It expires in 34 days. So we're gonna click this one right here, hit that drop down arrow on the right. Now, it's going to take us to this screen right here. In the money is going to be pointing up. Out of money is going to be pointing down. We're selling a cover call. Now, we're selling cash you can put. So let's go deep in the money, right? So the first thing I do, I look at the current price of Tesla. It's going to be $376. The first thing that I want to do is scroll all the way over to where it says at the top, it's going to show the delta. It's going to be puts down at the bottom. You're going to hit that drop down. You're going to change it over to puts. So you guys see that we're selling cash you can put in the money. We're going to go way out of the money down here. So the second thing that I like to do is scroll over all the way to the right. We haven't even moved yet. So now we're going to look for at least a 0.2 to a 0.3 to 0.2 delta. 0.3 delta means you have a 70% chance of Tesla not pulling back to this price point. 0.2 delta means you have an 80% chance of Tesla not pulling back to this price point, but there's way to increase your percentage. I'm gonna show you that in a second. So here we're on Tesla. Let's scroll all the way up and look for a delta of around 0.2. All right, so this one right here, 0.25, $350 strike price. Now let's scroll all the way back over to the $350 strike price. And you guys can see at the bid price, the green number right there is around $775. So that's how much you will bring in on premium. So you hit the 350. So let's click that. Make sure, this is important, that you flip it over from buy to sell. Once you flip it over to buy and sell, there it goes. The price is going to change to $775. So you should bring in $775 in premium on Tesla from selling this cash you can put. The way you check that is if you hit sell, right there it says estimated total credit. If it says debit, you did it wrong. All right, make sure it says credit. That's how much you're going to receive in your account immediately once you enter this trade. $775 of premium inside of your account as soon as you hit continue, right? So that's how you sell a cash you can put. Now, when I sell cash you can puts, I only like to do it when using 1, maybe 2 indicators, right? The indicator that you could set up on WEBULL would be the Bollinger Bands. So let's come back over to Tesla and we're looking at the chart. You're going to hit those 4 squares on the right on the charts, right? So we're looking at the charts right here. We're going to hit these 4 squares right here. It's going to pull this up. We're going to click indicators. Then you're going to hit add indicators. You're going to come over here. You're going to type in Bollinger Bands, BOLLINGER. Bollinger Bands, you're going to click this one. It's going to add it to your portfolio. So let's click that one. I already have it added. And then let's go back, hit indicators, and then add it. So this is a very basic Bollinger Bands. You could go in and tweak the settings. But if you're on the run and you don't have time to pull up TradingView, you could use WEBULL. We're gonna double tap the chart. It's gonna maximize it. And what I like to do is I like to sell cash secure puts. This is the 1 hour chart. I like to sell cash secure puts when it's at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, because when it's at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, price usually like going back up to the top of the Bollinger Bands like it did right here. So usually when it's at the bottom, it recovers and goes all the way back up to the top. So whenever I see Tesla at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands on the 1 hour time frame, I could go in and sell the weekly cash secure puts. If I'm looking at the 4 hour time frame right here, then let's double tap that. You'll only go in and sell cash secure puts when it's at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, like down here or right here, and let it recover all the way back up to the top of the Bollinger Bands. And that's how I like to use the Bollinger Bands on WEBULL if I'm out and about and don't have time to pull up TradingView. So that is Tesla. Now let me show you guys how to sell covered calls on shares that you already own. So you could go to your portfolio and click on one of your stocks. Let's pick SoFi, right? I'm up 17%. You would just click on SoFi and then you hit options. You're gonna change it from puts to calls on companies that you already have 100 shares of. And now that we switched it to calls, let's go out another month. Let's go out 27 days right here. No, let's go out a month. So we're gonna go out 34 days, click that one. And now same thing, we're gonna look for a delta of around I still wanna hold on to my share. So let's look for a 0.2 delta. 0.23 is fine. So we're gonna look at the 22 and scroll back over. So if we was to look at the $22 strike price, you guys can see that it pays $42 in premium. So I will click this one, make sure I hit sell. And now I'm selling a cash secure put. It says credit right there. I'm going to sell a cash secure put to pick up $42 in premium, expiring out in about a month with a strike price of $22. So on top of that, I would get the capital gain from it going from $18 all the way up to $22, and I would collect still collect the $42 in premium by selling a covered call on SoFi. So that's how you sell covered calls once you are assigned shares by selling cash secure puts. Now, if you do have leap options, let me show you guys how to do poor man covered calls versus your leap options. So here we are on WDC. I just clicked the leap option in there. Now, all you have to do is, right now we're up 88%, around $10,000 on this leap option. So if you want my leap option plays, gonna be inside the Patreon. That link is gonna be down in the pinned comment section. Now, to sell leap options, all you have to do is those 3 dots at the bottom right next to buy. You're gonna click that, bam. You're gonna hit build a strategy on current position. You're gonna click that, bam. You're gonna build a diagonal by selling a call. You're gonna click the first one, bam, right? And now you can get to pick any expiration date. So let's just say we wanna sell weekly poor man covered calls until we paid off our leap option, and then we can just let the leap option ride. So we're just gonna look at a week. Gonna click this drop down right here. And of course, we're gonna be looking for the delta. So let's go to like a 0.2 delta because we wanna hold on to our leap as long as possible. So a 0.2 delta will be at 465. Let's scroll over. So we could bring in $465. That's a 1% trade right there. 1% trade every single week for the next year. That's 52% in a single year by selling poor man covered calls. So we could click this one right here at 465, hit next, and then right there it shows us our limit price. You hit sell, and then we will receive a credit of $465 doing a poor man covered call on our leap option on WDC. So that's it, dreamers. I showed you how to do a cash secure put on WEBULL, show you how to do a covered call on WEBULL and a poor man covered call on WEBULL. Now, rolling your options up and out, rolling options is a little bit more confusing using this platform. If y'all want me to make that video, hit a thumbs up on this video. Let me know down in the comment section. And if you are confused about anything, man, you guys just comment anything down in the comment section. It's not that many people that come in on these videos. I'm going to be sure to respond to every single comment, as long as you comment with like the next couple of days, but you hit that notification bell though, so I know you're going to see the video come in the next couple of days. That way I don't miss your videos. But dreamers, if you guys do want me to go into more detail on how I run the wheel strategy, check out this video right here. This is my 3-point system on how I run the wheel strategy to generate $18,000 in premium so far this year in income. So if you guys do want to check that out, that link is going to be right here at the end card screen. Check out the video. That's the next one to watch. But if you made it in this video, go ahead and comment, give me the loot, because I showed you guys how to get the loot. But other than that, dreamers, I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.